Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Ford F150 key fob 2018. Start by locating a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 battery, then find a clean, well-lit workspace and place a soft cloth down. Use the screwdriver to gently pry open the seam, keeping pressure even to avoid snapping plastic. Remove the old battery with tweezers or fingertip, note its orientation, and insert the new one correctly. In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Ford F150 key fob 2018. With the fob closed, find the notch near the key ring and insert the screwdriver tip carefully. Apply gentle twisting pressure until the halves separate, then lift them apart slowly to expose the battery compartment. Inspect the interior parts for rubber buttons or tiny springs, and set them aside in order so reassembly is quick and correct. In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Ford F150 key fob 2018. Quick recommendation: while you work on your key fob, grab a little Tree's black ice to keep your truck smelling great after greasy hands handle the fob. It's a small, affordable upgrade that lightens the repair mood and smells fantastic when you drive. Please subscribe and like if this helped. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Ford F150 key fob 2018. After replacing the CR 2032 battery, note the positive side orientation and lay the battery flat in its tray. Carefully realign the rubber pads and plastic halves, then press firmly around the edge until the case snaps closed. Test lock, unlock, and remote start functions from a short distance, and if needed, reopen to reseat the battery for consistent operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.